seen her. ዜማ ዱሬ ስምታበላሻት ልጅ እንደሆነች ነው የማውቀው ኦንላይን። ሜላትን I don't know her. She's messed up የሚያደርጉት ግን እህቶቼ አክስቶቼ እያለች ለህዝብ ትናገራለች። That's not right.
Okay, ከማን ጋር ነው አሁን የምትኖረው?
100% my family, my sisters, brothers never talk to anyone on media. They don't go on media. They all work ለገቨርንመንት ነው የሚሰሩት። እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ጊዜ የላቸውም። I know you didn't talk. So maybe she brought somebody on the stalk or what little thing that
He's saying like that's not your aunt. Daisy.
She's not.
No, Mariaman, Yoni Mariaman.
Who talked to him? Man.
Mariaman. I swear to God. I swear to
God. Tell me who talked to him. Give me the
I'm not going to tell you. No.
That's it. That's not true then. Why are you hiding?
I don't want to bring our family to the...
Oh, really? You already did. You already did, Daisy.
So, okay, let me ask you.
No, I mean our other family.
No, you already did.
ልጠይቅሽ አንድ ነገር የእሷ የራሷን ላይፍ ለመምራት ምኑ ነው ለአንቺ የሚከብድሽ?
She's my daughter. I don't want ማንም ዝም እንትን ባለጌ እናቷን የሚሰድብ ሀገር የሚሰድብ ዘር የሚያስተምራት that's not I worked for. ዴዚን አገሯን ህዝቧን አክብራ እንድትኖር ራሱ ሰክሰስፉል ሆና እናቷንም እንድትጦር ህዝቡን እንድትጦር ነው አሳድጌ አድርጌ ያሳደኳት። መጥፎ ሰው ያውም እኔ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም። አንተ ራስህ አይደለህም እንዴ ልታስቀርቀው ዴዚ ቢኮዝ
Let her finish. I'm a good listener. Let her talk.
But this is not about love, though. This is not about love.
No.
Daisy, let her finish. It's okay. Let her talk.
Love is the problem. Because your love is what caused all this. Daisy, please listen. It's good for you.
Let her talk, and I got an answer. Keep talking.
See the guy himself.
Daisy, I texted you on Instagram too. So if all this is real, right? Because you know you can't really trust people on social media and stuff. If all this is real, Daisy, what you're doing right now, I'm not gonna lie to you, like it's a really, really like big shame. You feel me? Even if your mom was to do any of those things that you and whoever this dude is trying to blame your mom or whatever, I promise you, bro, you're gonna regret this like later.
Hyder, we're here for peace, Hyder.
Hold on. Let me finish. You're gonna regret it like later down the road, like because this your mom, bro. You only get one of those. This dude right here, bro.
Yes.
Let me finish, bro. This dude right here, bro. He didn't even fly you out, bro. Yeah,
okay, Yoni, I don't want anybody's opinion.
Daisy, let me finish, bro.
Yoni, Hyder,
hold on, Daisy, hold on.
No.
This man right here, bro, the fact that he can even watch you sit up here and speak about your mom, this man don't even respect you for real.
No.
I promise you, bro. I promise you, he don't respect you, bro. Like, that, bro, that's your mom, bro. At the end of the day, bro, you got 27,000 people here. You sitting up here talking about your mom, whether it's good or bad, bro. I mess with you, bro. You're cool. But what you're doing right now is completely wrong. None of these people care, bro. Nobody here cares about anything except your mom, bro. Your mom is the only one crying blood tears right now, bro. All these people is enjoying this shit, bro.
This is
you know what I'm saying? Like, what is you here for? Like, for this dude right here, he got a Kataro game with Johnny in whatever. That's what he's here to promote. That's it. He don't care about all this shit. He's here to promote his game, bro. That's it, bro. This man don't care nothing about you, bro. If this, I was listening the whole time. This man said on public, he does not love you, and he would never love you. So what is you exposing your mom for this?
No.
So what?
No.
So what? Why are you exposing your mom?
Yes. So if you let me explain, Hyder, before. You know, like maybe you would understand.
You've been explaining this whole time. I've been listening the whole time.
You don't know anything.
All you've been doing is trying to make your mom look bad, bro. Just so because that's why when your mom was trying to expose him, you kept saying, "Let him come apologize." Why? Because you don't want your mom to keep exposing this guy. All that race thing, Tigray, whatever, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, your mom knows what's best for you, not these 27,000 people here, bro. No one cares about you except your mom, bro. Especially not this dude right here, Daisy.
Got you. Let her talk for a minute. Okay, you go ahead. Let me hear you.
Yoni, you know why we're here, like...
No, yeah, but Daisy...
I mean,
Daisy,
my mom, she was up here and I'm waiting for her to come back. Like, this is... nobody understands. It's okay. I don't need anybody's... You know, it's okay.
No, I totally get it, but sometimes...
No. Auntie, please. Lago, please. በተራ ብናወራ ይሻላል። አንድ የሚውታል Do you know you got another person, he got an account he used to talk with? Do you know that?
Who?
Your boy over here.
Who does he talk to?
He has another account. He used to do the same thing exactly what he was doing with you. And they are not together now. Do you know that or not?
Okay, that's like his past. Like everybody's hating. Like I don't understand. Like I don't know.
Hating. I'm just letting you know what is going on. Yeah. How you gonna think it is hating when I'm telling you, addressing what's going on?
Like Yoni, another nagari.
Go ahead.
Okay, he lila account ምናምን የሚባለው ሌላ ሪዝን ነው። እሱን ጠለቅ ከፈለክም በሙሉ ልነግርህ እችላለሁ። ገባ?
ከፍቅረኛ ጋር ነው ይሄ ነገር አፕን ያደረገው ወይስ
ልንገርህ? ይሄ ምንም ልንገርህ አዲስ አጀንዳ ያመጣ ይሄ ልንገርህ፣ እሷን ለማሸነፍ ነው። በቃ ተሸማቆ ልጅቷን እንዳያወጧት ማለት ነው። ገባ? ይሄ አካውንት ልንገርህ ሆኝ ማኛ አለና ፓስወርዱን ለራሱ የለኝም። ልንገርህ ኮድ ወደ እርሷ
ጋሚ የምጠይቅ ምንድን ነው ነገርኝ እስቲ። ከእሷ ጋር ምንድን ነው የሚሆነው? እስቲ ንገረኝ።
የሚሆነው ፈጣሪ ያውቃል። ግን በቃ አፈቅራታለሁ፣ እወዳታለሁ፣ እሷም ትወደኛለች። ኦኬ ልንገርህ አንድ ይሆንኛል። ኦኬ ስማ ልንገርህ ሆን ነገራትና እኔ ይሄ ልጅ አሌክስ ቅድም ብላለች እናትየው እና ቪዲዮ ይዘባታል ብላለች እናትየው። ገባህ? ኦኬ አሌክስ እያስፈራራኝ ነው እንደዚህ። ምንም ችግር የለውም። እኔ ማርያምን ከህይወቴ ይውጣልኝ አልፈልገውም። የልጅ ካለች ማለት ነው በቃ እንደሌለ። ኦኬ ኦፍኮርስ አካውንቷ ከኔ ጋር ላይ ነው አውቃለሁ። ሁሉ ነገሯ ከኔ ጋር አለ እና እተወዋለሁ ሁሉም ነገር።
ለምንድን ነው አካውንቷን መያዝ የፈለግከው? አልገባኝም።
ባሉ ነው የኔን አካውንት ከእሷ ጋር ነበር፣ የእሷም ከኔ ጋር ነበር።